2025 Ford Super Duty. Starting at $47 EST. Highs. Choice of proven gas or diesel engines, tows effortlessly, newly available Platinum Plus ups the luxury quotient. Lows. Desirable diesel engines command significant price premium, ride quality and comfort still trail ram, trailer backup assist not as skilled as seasoned drivers. Verdict. Towing and hauling is baked into the Super Duty's DNA, but upper trims can bring a little luxury to this vehicular pack mule, too. Overview. For those that tow, haul, or work with their hands, the Ford Super Duty needs no introduction. A proven workhorse, it's been locked in battle with the Chevrolet Silverado HD and Ram HD for decades, each fighting for territory in the lucrative HD work truck market. Ultimately, it's the consumers who win from this grudge match, as the constant state of one-upmanship improves the breed as a whole. For the 2025 Ford Super Duty, that means a tough truck available with various cab and bed options and a choice of 2 gasoline engines and the mighty Power-Stroke diesel V8 in 2 levels of tune, the latter maxing out at 500 horsepower and 1,200 pound-feet of torque. Available in F250, F350 and F450 variations, the most capable configuration touts a max towing capacity of 40,000 pounds and an 8,000 pound payload rating. If that sounds good but a little luxury might make the workday a little less stressful, buyers can spec various levels of amenities, including a 2-tone leather interior and the nap-friendly Max recline seats that let you catch some shut-eye when the boss isn't around. For busier times, the center console turns into a desk, an onboard generator provides power where and when you need it, and a host of safety and trailer assist features keeps things rolling without consequence. What's new for 2025? Ford has made minor updates and shuffled options across the lineup for 2025. The 6.8-liter gas V8 engine is now standard on the XLT and Lariat, and pairs with the 10-speed transmission. The 2 kW Pro Power onboard setup is now optional on King Ranch and Platinum, the onboard scale system and smart hitch are now available on King Ranch, and a trailer brake controller is now optional on XL trim. The Super Cab configuration is now limited to the XL and XLT SRW with 8-foot box. Towing tech gets a boost with available individual tire pressure monitoring for the trailers and the ability to add auxiliary cameras for a better view. An updated Platinum trim features a black onyx cabin with platinum blue accents and a black exterior trim, and the Lariat gets a new seating material. A new Platinum Plus package includes chrome trim and exclusive leather upholstery and color schemes. Finally, 2 new colors join the lineup, Avalanche and Ruby Red metallic tinted clear coat. Pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2025 Ford Super Duty is expected to start around $47 and go up to $100 depending on the trim and options. XL. $47,000, EST. XLT. $54,000, EST. Lariat. $65,000, EST. King Ranch. $79,000, EST. Platinum. $80,000, EST. Limited. $100,000, EST. The 2025 Super Duty lineup follows the same trim level structure as the outgoing model. We'd recommend the F250 version with the spacious crew cab, standard 6.8-foot cargo bed, and single rear wheel axle. Paired with the mid-level Lariat trim, which we think provides the best mix of creature comforts for the price. To unlock its highest potential, we'd opt for the high-output Power-Stroke diesel engine. It commands significant upcharge, but if serious towing and hauling are on the agenda, it's hard to beat. Although the order books are open, pricing has not yet been revealed. We'll update this section with official 2025 pricing as soon as it becomes available. Engine, transmission, and performance. The Super Duty's base level XL trim has a standard 6.8-liter V8 with 400 horsepower and 445 pound-feet of torque. Also available is a mightier 7.3-liter V8 with 430 horses and 485 pound-feet, it's standard on the XLT and above. Of course, every F250, F350, and F450 can be equipped with the crown jewel of the Super Duty kingdom, the Power Stroke Diesel 6.7-liter V8. This oil burner makes either 475 horsepower and 1,050 pound-feet, or 500 horsepower and 1,200 pound-feet, as both low and high output versions are available. A dutiful 10-speed automatic transmission handles gear changes for every configuration, and customers can choose between single and dual rear wheel axles. The Super Duty also offers an off-road package called Tremor that adds a lift kit and Meteor tires along with other trail-ready upgrades. These heavy-duty Fords perform as one expects big rigs made to tow up to 19 tons wood. When unladen, the ride is stiff and bouncy, but those sensations smooth out when the bed is loaded up or a trailer is hooked on. The fanciest trims do a better job of muting wind and road noise on the highway. The trucks we drove benefited from firm and responsive brake pedals, and their steering was manageable at low speeds and in tight spaces where maneuvering the longest models can be difficult. Towing and payload capacity. The Super Duty boasts a maximum 8,000 pound capacity for payload and can tow up to 40,000 pounds with a gooseneck hitch, 35,000 with fifth wheel setup, and 30,000 with conventional hitch arrangement. To manage all that weight, the automaker has outfitted the truck with a host of trailering assist features. Among them are onboard scales with Smart Hitch, which estimates cargo weight in real time and provides guidance on trailer tongue weight distribution. There's also trailer navigation, which can optimize travel routes based on trailer dimensions and weight. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. Since the EPA doesn't test vehicles as heavy as the Super Duty and its gargantuan competitors, we judge them based on our own testing. On our 75 mph highway fuel economy route, a 2023 Ford Super Duty F250 Super Crew 4x4 with the high-output Power Stroke diesel achieved 20 mpg. We expect the Super Duty's optional Power Stroke diesel to be the most fuel-efficient engine in the lineup. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Those in the market for the base XL trim should prepare for a fairly Spartan cabin, but from there the rest of the Super Duty's lineup features a more fashionable environment. Better convenience and luxury features become available as you go through the various trims, and Ford has engineered front seats that can recline to a nearly flat position so drivers can properly rest when stopped overnight on long-haul drives. Buyers have the choice of a regular cab, an extended Super Cab, or a 4-door Super Crew cab and 2 bed sizes, a 6.8-footer or an 8-foot box. The Super Duty's many cubbies and versatile trays are highlighted by a massive center console bin on models with bucket seats. The Crew cab takes storage a step further with a lockable box under the rear seat. Infotainment and connectivity. The base XL trim comes with an 8.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system, while more expensive models get a larger 12.0-inch display. A reconfigurable 12.0-inch digital gauge cluster is also available. A pair of large volume and tuning knobs as well as other physical buttons on the steering wheel makes the system feel intuitive. The rest of the lineup features a 12.0-inch touchscreen with Sync 4 software that includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Larger cabs can be fitted with enough accessory outlets to light up a Guns N' Roses concert, including up to 2 110-volt power points. All models come with a Bang & Olufsen tuned stereo system. A 640-watt, 8-speaker setup is standard, a 1080-watt, 18-speaker one is optional. Safety and driver assistance features. Most of the lineup can be equipped with extensive driver assistance technology that includes automated emergency braking and a useful multi-view camera system. Likewise, its blind spot monitoring system even works when the truck is towing a trailer. However, the backup assist that automatically steers while backing up to a trailer didn't work for us when we tried it. For more information about the Super Duty's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking, available lane departure warning and lane keeping assist, available adaptive cruise control, warranty and maintenance coverage, Ford's limited and powertrain warranties align with the coverages that Chevy, GMC, and Ram provide on their heavy-duty pickups. However, only the GM trucks come with complimentary maintenance. Limited warranty covers 3 years or 36,000 miles. Gas powertrain warranty covers 5 years or 60,000 miles. Diesel powertrain warranty covers 5 years or 100,000 miles. No complimentary scheduled maintenance.